Welcome back to another Element Pack Pro tutorial. In this video, we're diving into Scroll Fill Effect, a powerful extension that animates text fills as users scroll through the page. This feature is perfect for creating eye-catching headings, improving user engagement, and adding a sleek modern touch to your design without writing a single line of code. Let's jump right in. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open the Element Pack Pro panel to access the Element Pack dashboard. You'll notice a set of vertical tabs displayed along the side of the screen. From here, head to the Extensions tab. In the top right area, use the search bar to look for Scroll Fill Effect. Once it appears in the list, toggle it on and click Save Settings to apply the changes. After enabling the extension, open the page where you want to apply the effect using the Elementor editor. In this example, the layout is already placed on the canvas. Begin by selecting a heading widget. It's important to note that Scroll Fill Effect works only with the default heading, advanced heading, and animated heading widgets. With the heading widget selected, move to the Content tab in the left side panel. Scroll down until you find the Scroll Fill Effect section. Expand it and enable the feature using the toggle. As soon as it's activated, a set of customization options will become available. The first setting you'll encounter is base color. This must be set to transparent for the scroll-based animation to work correctly. Just below that, you'll find the fill color options, which allow you to create either a solid fill or a gradient effect. Begin by selecting your first color and adjusting its location to define where the fill starts. Next, choose a second color and set its location. These controls help you create a smooth and visually appealing transition as the text fills while scrolling. You can fine-tune the look to match your site's design and branding. Moving further down, you'll see the Fill Type option. This lets you choose between linear and radial fill styles. Selecting radial reveals a position control that enables you to adjust where the gradient starts. Choosing linear displays an angle setting, which helps you control the direction of the gradient. Feel free to experiment with different styles and angles until the effect looks precisely the way you want. Once you're satisfied, your Scroll Fill Effect is ready to go. Now, let's apply the same effect to an advanced heading widget. Select the widget and open the Scroll Fill Effect section as before. Enable the toggle, set the base color to transparent, and open the fill color settings. Choose your first color and location, then add the second color and adjust its position. Select your preferred gradient type and angle, and the effect will be applied instantly. To see how this works with multiple lines of text, select the first line and customize it as usual. Once that's done, move on to the following line and repeat the same steps. After completing the customization, scroll the page to watch the effect animate smoothly across every line of text. When everything looks good, click the Publish button and preview your page. You'll now see the Scroll Fill Effect working beautifully as you scroll. For more inspiration and real-world examples, be sure to check out our demo page. If you're ready to create even more impressive animations, take action today and use Element Pack Pro to unlock a wide range of powerful effects and features like this. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Also, hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tools and features from Element Pack Pro. Thanks for watching.